Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Affirma and I create content that helps you level up in life, be it productivity and everything in between. Today, we are diving deep into how you can reprogram your mind for success in just 30 days. Yes, you heard that right. 30 days. So let's get started. So before we jump into the steps, let's talk about why mindset is so important. You see, your mindset is like a software running on your brain. If you program it to think positively, you start attracting positive results. But if you are stuck in negativity, that's what you see more of. Success isn't just about doing more work. It's about shifting your internal programming. And that's exactly what we are going to be learning today. And you are going to implement it for the next 30 days. Alright. Step 1. The first week. Yes, the first week is all about self-awareness. That's the first step, self-awareness. Take a moment to check in with yourself. Yes, it's very important. Check in with yourself. What are the thoughts that run through your head daily? Are they positive or are they full of self-doubt and fear? Write them down in a journal. It is time to confront those limiting beliefs and figure out where they came from. I know it can be very tough, but this is the first step to understanding your current mindset. Then there comes week 2. Week 2 is all about affirmations and visualizations. Success isn't just about what you do, it's about who you believe you are. Start every morning by saying empowering affirmation out loud. For example, I am worthy of success. And then take it a step further and visualize your success. Imagine yourself living your dream life. Whether it is launching a business, traveling the world, or getting that promotion, see it, feel it, and believe it. By week 3, you are going to start breaking free from those negative habits that hold you back. Maybe it's procrastination, negative self-talk, or unhealthy routines. Identify one small habit that you know is blocking your progress and work on replacing it with something productive. For example, if you struggle with procrastination, set a timer for just 10 minutes a day to work on something important. Remember, small wins add up. Now, for the final week, it's all about gratitude and taking bold actions. Start each day by writing down 3 things you are grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus to abundance, and that is the energy you want to attract. Then take action. Yes, taking action is the key. Success isn't just about thinking, it's about doing. Even if the action is small, keep moving forward every single day. Trust the process and keep your eye on the prize. In the first week, get aware of your thoughts. In the second week, practice affirmation and visualization. Week 3 is all about breaking through those limiting habits. And in the final week, which is the 4th week, cultivate gratitude and take consistent action. By the end of 30 days, you will feel like a whole new person, ready to take on the world and achieve success. Remember, success doesn't just happen overnight, but with the right mindset and habits, you will be on the fast track. So if you're ready to make this change, drop a yes in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this today. You have got this, and I will see you in the next one. Do take care of yourself, and bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye.